Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. मैम कॉल आई थी into
हेलो हेलो तो मम्मी का नानी आता हो।
Don't talk among yourself. I'm just waiting for you all to join.
तनुआ के लेके पापा अच्छे नहीं घरे।
Mute your mic.
छोड़
Who
दो
is
खान।
there? Don't discuss here. Vanshraj. Vanshraj, mute your mic. Good morning to everybody. How many of you joined?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clear. I'm 14 students.
Why are you all so slow? Now, children, do you have any problem in different ways? Position of the image formed by convex lens. जो लास्ट क्लास में हम लोग किए थे उसमें कोई दिक्कत है?
No, ma'am.
Did you go through that diagram and the portion which was taught on Saturday? सब लोग प्रैक्टिस किए थे? Okay, then let's start today. Today's topic is position of image formed by concave lens. Now children, one of you tell me, in convex lens, we have seen that almost all the images which were formed was real image. But here, what we will see in concave lens, we will see that the images which are formed by concave lens are virtual image. We assume that it is formed there. And here we can see that wherever we keep the object, जहाँ भी object हम रखेंगे, image का position always it will be same between O and F. F और O के बीच में ही रहेगा. Now one by one, let us take that diagram. ये diagram हम लोग को लेना है और इसमें आपको ये दिखाने के लिए diagram है कि object का position अगर आप change करते भी हो, but image position will remain on the same place. Like see here, AB is the object. AB एक object है. वो कहाँ पर placed है? जरा हमको देखकर बताओ diagram में.
beyond 2F.
Beyond 2F.
Beyond 2F, yes, beyond 2F. Then you are seeing that array is passing parallel to the principal axis. ये भी rule के हिसाब से ही चल रहा है. Array is passing parallel to the principal axis, but after refraction, it will move to the, we assume that it will meet to the focus. And then again, array is passing from optical center, it will reverse its path. So it will go and deviate it. So we assume that it is meeting at a point A dash, B dash. and you are seeing that the object is larger, but the image is smaller. And it is erect, it is not inverted. ये erect image देता है, but diminished means smaller in size. And what is the position between focal, first principal focus and optical center? इसके बीच में देता है. ये point clear हुआ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then next point. Again, what I am doing, what I have do, what is the position of image over here? What I have drawn, that it is between F and 2F. अब हम object का position बदलेंगे. Now, when we will change the position, again you see the ray is passing parallel to the principal axis. We assume that it will come to the focus. A ray which is passing from optical center will deviate its path, but we assume that both the rays meet at point F and OF. F or OF. Now you just compare this diagram and this diagram. Object का position changed है, but the image position is on the same. Focal, first principal focus, optical center, first principal focus, optical center. Is there any change in the image? Image में कोई change हुआ?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then third also you can see. Third भी देख लो. F और O के बीच में object रखोगे. Then also ये same rule के हिसाब से parallel ray जा रहा है. एक ray optical center के through जा रहा है. We assume that it will meet to the meet between F and O और ये fall करेगा और pass करेगा focus से. लेकिन ये एक दूसरे को कट कहाँ पर कर रहा है? Between O and F. So that means what? What we have concluded from here, that whatever be the position of the image, the object, image will always be formed between optical center and F1. कोई भी position आप ले लो object. जहाँ भी मन है F पर रखो, 2F पर रखो, beyond 2F रखो, between 2F रखो. But what will be the image of the position?
Between optical center and
Between
focus.
optical center and focus.
So यही difference है. And what will be the characteristic of the image? It will be virtual, and diminished.
Diminished.
ये
हम
सब
erect मतलब?
position में इसमें same ही रहता है. Clear? Any point left over to be discussed? यहाँ कोई बात ऐसी है जो आप नहीं समझ रहे हो या फिर से repeat करना है?
मैम erect मतलब?
Erect का मतलब straight, खड़ा, जैसा position में जैसे हम लोग खड़े हैं तो हम लोग का सिर कैसा लगता है? ऊपर रहता है, तो वो erect means straight. And inverted means upside down. Like suppose this is your pen tip, ये tip है, तो ये erect है, और इसको अगर हम ये clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes,
after this topic, आपके पास एक activity है. One of you will just read this activity. एक बच्चा इस activity को पढ़िए please.
Recall the activity performed in class 7. To study the details of image formation by a concave mirror, a lighted candle and a screen was used for that activity. We can now perform the same activity using a convex lens. Take a convex lens, a small candle and a thick sheet of paper. Use molding clay stand to hold the lens as well as the candle in vertical positions. Keep the lighted candle at some distance away from the lenses. Put the thick sheet of paper behind the lenses on the side opposite to the side on which the candle has been put. Adjust the position of the paper screen till you get a sharp image of the candle flame on the sheet. Now move the candle, first gradually towards the lens and then gradually away from the lens. Is the image real or virtual? Is it smaller, larger compared to the flame itself? Record your observations for different positions of the candle in a tabular form. What happens when you replace the convex lens by a concave lens? Is it now possible to obtain the image on the screen?
Now here children, what is it telling? जैसे आप convex lens पढ़े हो, तो अगर different positions पर हम रखते हैं, तो वही आपको एक experiment करके इसमें देखना है कि आपको convex lens लेते हो तो किस तरह का image बनता है और concave lens लेंगे तो किस तरह का image बनता है. तो that concept we have in our mind. एक candle लेना है, एक convex lens लेना है और एक थिक शीट ऑफ पेपर को उसका स्क्रीन बनाना. तो क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले कैंडल को लाइटेड करेंगे एंड देन वी विल पुट इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट कन्वेक्स लेंस एंड वी विल ट्राई टू एडजस्ट द पोजीशन. तो डिफरेंट पोजीशन पर अगर बियॉन्ड 2f होगा, बिटवीन 2f होगा, f एंड 2f होगा, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोजीशंस व्हाट वी हैव स्टडीड इन आवर लेसन, उसके हिसाब से हमारे इमेज बनेगा. तो जनरली क्या हम पढ़े हैं कन्वेक्स लेंस के बारे में कि इन्वर्टेड इमेज बनेगा और वो अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोजीशन ऑफ द प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द कैंडल, अगर वो F पर रहेगा तो एट द 2F पॉइंट पर रहेगा या F पर रहेगा तो हमारा इमेज सिचुएशन वैरी करेगा. जैसे सपोज कर लो अगर इंफिनिटी पर ऑब्जेक्ट है तो ऑब्जेक्ट इंफिनिटी पर तो है नहीं हम, क्योंकि लाइटेड कैंडल सामने ले रहे हैं. तो अगर हम आगे करते हैं या पीछे करते हैं तो उसको हम 2f या बियॉन्ड 2f ले जाएंगे. तो अगर बियॉन्ड 2f रहेगा तो इमेज पोजीशन 2f बिटवीन f एंड 2f पर बनेगा एंड दैट विल बी इन्वर्टेड. सो व्हाट वी हैव स्टडीड डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस, इन दैट वे वी कैन आंसर. क्लियर? उसी तरह से आंसर कर सकते हैं कि अगर वो बियॉन्ड 2f पर ले जाएंगे तो वो हम देख सकते हैं. बट जस्ट नाउ आई डोंट हैव कन्वेक्स लेंस सो दैट आई कैन शो यू. कन्वेक्स लेंस अगर होता तो हम आपको दिखा देते, लेकिन कनकेव के उसी तरह कंपैरेटिव स्टडी करना है उसे कनकेव लेंस के केस में. तो कनकेव लेंस में इसमें इन्वर्टेड दिखेगा कन्वेक्स में, बट व्हाट अबाउट कनकेव लेंस? कनकेव लेंस में इरेक्ट दिखेगा. आपको कैंडल का फ्लेम जैसा है वैसा ही दिखेगा बट इट विल बी स्मॉलर इन साइज. लेकिन इसमें आपको अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोजीशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, इट विल वैरी. अगर आप बियॉन्ड 2f रखोगे तो इमेज f और 2f के बीच में दिखेगा, लेकिन ज्यादातर सिचुएशन में आपको इन्वर्टेड इमेज दिखेगा एक्सेप्ट इन वन और. क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर? जो आप पढ़े हो वही चीज को रिपीट करना है प्रैक्टिकली यू हैव टू सी. देन उसके बाद है डू यू नो, एक बार पढ़ लीजिए. Just read, do you know?
When a light ray propagates from a medium of high refractive index to a medium of lower refractive index, it bends away from normal. At a certain critical angle, the refracted ray bends away so much as to just graze the boundary between the two media. For an angle greater than the critical angle, the ray is totally reflected back into the medium of higher refractive index. The phenomenon is known as the phenomenon of total internal reflection. Optical fibers used for transmitting and receiving electric signals make use of this phenomenon. The phenomenon of mirage observed in deserts is also due to total internal reflection.
Now here, this total internal reflection, आप इतना ही समझो कि जब डेजर्ट्स में आप जाते हो तो आप देखते होगे कि एक जगह आप खड़े रहते हो तो दूसरा सैंड ड्यून्स का एक लेयर आपको दिखते रहता है, एंड दैट इज ऑल एट द डिफरेंट लेवल्स. वो आपको लगेगा कि बहुत ऊंचा है और वो जब आप पास जाओगे तो इट इज नॉट सो. तो दैट इज अ मिराज. एक यू कैन से एक भूल भुलैया टाइप का है जो कि आपको, हाँ, इट इज नॉट मतलब क्या कहोगे उसको, टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन का मतलब इल्यूजन. हाँ, इल्यूजन क्रिएट होता है. Yes. Or this is seen in case of your transmitting of waves of electrical signals, and this is also seen in the deserts. Total by this total internal reflection only, we can see these layers of the sand dunes at different. Then after that, application of lenses. Padhiye. Read it.
मैं पढ़ूं.
Lenses
हाँ,
find a
पढ़िए,
number of
पढ़िए,
uses.
Application of lenses. Lenses find a number of uses and applications in our day-to-day life. These include the magnifying glass, the microscope, the telescope, and the photographic camera, among others. The human eye also has a built-in lens that plays a very important role in its functioning. Do you know? Lenses have been put to use in designing great refractors. These are large telescopes that use specially designed lenses. Some of the great refractors built over years have been the following. First, a 61 centimeter aperture refracting telescope in Flagstaff, Arizona.
It is aperture. Hole. Hole, it is aperture. Aperture का मतलब होल
Aperture.
होता है. कैमरा में होल होता है ना, तो उसी तरह से ये आपको टेलीस्कोप जो बनता है जिसके थ्रू हम देख सकते हैं, तो उसका होल ही 61 सेंटीमीटर का होता है, तो वो बहुत बड़ा एरिया कवर करता है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट.
Yes, ma'am. Second, a 69 centimeter aperture great refractor at Vienna Observatory. Third, a 100 centimeter aperture refracting telescope built in 1895 at the Yerkes Observatory. Fourth, a 125 centimeter aperture demonstration telescope known as the Great Paris Exhibition Telescope of 1900. However, because of very many practical difficulties, astronomers now no longer prefer to use large telescope made from lenses. Nowadays, it is the reflecting telescope made from mirrors that are used by astronomers for exploring the far depth of space. These are much larger inside than the great refractors. Yes, ma'am, completed.
Okay. So these apertures were very large in these refractors, great refractors, and in this the lenses were used. And you can see this apertures are so big. Then the area which they used to explore, that was also very large. But some difficulty was there in working out. So nowadays we are using reflecting telescopes in which mirrors are used. And they can penetrate, or they can take the pictures of deeper areas in the space. ज्यादातर areas space का वो capture करता है. ठीक है. So with this we have come to this end of this chapter. किसी को कोई दिक्कत है, कोई problem है कहीं पर?
No, ma'am.
Anything you want me to explain again? कोई चीज, कोई topic? Then I will just revise it. एक बार फिर से revise करवा देंगे. Otherwise we will move to question answer.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Arizona?
Pardon? Once again, एक बार और बोलो.
Arizona. Ma'am,
Arizona. कहाँ दिया हुआ है?
ma'am, do you know the first point?
Which do you know?
Ma'am, last page. Application of lenses.
मैम एक
Arizona is a
जगह का
place.
नाम है अरिजोना.
वो जगह का नाम है वो. Arizona, Vienna, Yerkes, ये सब जगह का नाम है. Place. ये सब ऑब्जर्वेटरी वहां बना हुआ है, ये बता रहा है. ठीक है. और कुछ? Okay, then come to the objective question. अगर अभी कुछ नहीं है, आप लोग को देख लीजिएगा, कल अगर कुछ आपके मन में होगा तो बताइएगा। Something to know, fill in the blanks. A ray of light passing from one medium to another does not bend its path if its angle of incidence equal to
0
90
degree.
degree. 0 degree.
90 degree.
0 degree.
90 degree.
0 degree.
0 degree.
0 degree.
yes. The more is the optical density of a given medium, the dash is the speed of
Less.
light.
Less.
Less.
Phenomenon of splitting of white light into 7 colors is known as
of light.
Dispersion of
Dispersion of light.
Dispersion
Dispersion of light.
the point on the principal axis of a concave lens from where a beam of incident parallel ray appears to diverge is called dash of the
Focus.
concave.
Focus.
Second
Focus.
principle.
Focus.
An object should be placed at dash so that a
2F.
real and inverted image of the same
2F.
size is obtained.
2F.
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 Ma'am, 2F. Focus.
Lines on
2F.
the center of curvature of the two surfaces of the lens.
True.
Principal axis. A ray of light passing through it does not change its path after refraction through a lens. Optical center. Real inverted image of the same size as object. Object at 2F
Ma'am,
point.
it is true and false.
मैच द फॉलोइंग बुक में नहीं दिया हुआ है।
No, ma'am.
No,
True or false है?
वो अच्छा ठीक है, मेरे बुक में दिया हुआ था, ओल्ड बुक है ना, ठीक है।
मैम मेरे बुक में भी दिया है।
हाँ, और एक लास्ट है, a virtual erect and diminished image for all positions of the object is concave. Then state whether the following statements are true or false. The basic cause of refraction is the change in speed of light as it goes from one medium to another.
True.
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 True. Yes, true.
This one is there, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes,
true.
ma'am.
True. The final refracted ray, the emergent ray coming out of a parallel phase is bent with respect to the incident ray. Bent रहता है emergent ray.
मैम ये क्वेश्चन हम लोग के
Ma'am,
बुक में
this
नहीं
question
है।
is also
मैम ये
false.
क्वेश्चन नहीं है।
मैम ये नहीं है हम लोग के बुक में।
ठीक
Ma'am,
है,
ये
तब
नहीं
उसके
है।
बाद देखो, तुम लोग रीड करो कौन सा है।
In
In an
speed of light is
optically
more than the
intense-
speed of light in vacuum.
False.
This one is
False.
there।
False.
False.
क्या है सेंटेंस बोलो।
In optically denser medium, the speed of light is more than the speed of light in vacuum.
In optically denser medium, optically denser medium,
Speed of light is more than the speed of light in vacuum.
speed of light
Vacuum.
is
Vacuum.
More
More
than
than
the
the
speed of
light in
in
vacuum.
vacuum.
Speed of light in vacuum.
more than speed of light in
Vacuum.
okay vacuum. क्या होगा बोलो।
False.
False. False.
Next, a coin kept ये है।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Kept at bottom of an empty dry cup appears to rise up
True.
when some water is
True.
poured into the cup.
True. True.
True.
True. True.
Then
True.
next
True.
is when the yellow light alone coming out of a glass prism is made to fall on another glass frame, it will
False.
get split into orange and
False.
green color. False. Is there any more questions in true and false in your book?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, third question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, third
Yes, on
question.
third question.
एक और बोलिए क्या है?
An incident ray always bends away from normal when it passes from one transparent medium into another.
False.
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 Ma'am,
So
ma'am,
this
ma'am,
is
last
your
question
homework
है.
to be
Fifth one.
completed.
Ma'am, fifth one also.
Ma'am, last वाला क्या है?
Ma'am, last.
Last once again जिसके बुक पे दिया हुआ वो बोल दो.
When white light is
When
dispersed
white
from
light
the
is
glass
dispersed
prism,
by a
the
glass
yellow color
prism,
in
the
it
yellow
tends
color
more than the
more
blue
than the
color.
blue color.
False.
One of you tell. It gets
False.
mingled.
False.
इसके बुक में नहीं होगा तो दिक्कत होगा. One of you
False.
tell.
When
हाँ,
white
false
light
तो
is
होगा
dispersed
लेकिन
by a
question
glass
बोलो.
prism, when white light is
When a white
dispersed by a
light is
glass prism,
dispersed by a glass prism, the yellow color in it bends more than the blue color.
False.
Okay, when a white light gets dispersed
By a glass prism,
By a glass prism.
by a glass prism,
the yellow color in
The
it
yellow color in it.
yellow color
In it
bends more than
bends
the
more
blue color.
than the blue color.
Yes, sir. Swachhita.
more than
Blue
The
color.
blue color.
blue color. क्या होगा?
False.
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 So let it be till here. यहीं तक रहने दीजिए. B and E question tomorrow we will discuss. I will find out.
Ma'am, take the
Ma'am,
correct
see the correct
option.
answer.
C.
C
And
also.
take the correct option.
Ma'am,
take the correct
option is left out.
Okay. That is not given in my book. एक minute, just wait for 1 minute. I just see. एक और book देख लेते हैं. Just wait. Okay, children. आप देख लो अपने बुक से देख लीजिए. I'll find out tomorrow. You just see it. First बोलो कोई एक बच्चा. Just
Which
tell
of the
me that.
following
Which of the following conditions is not necessary for a change in the direction of propagation when a light ray goes from one medium to
when a
another?
light rays goes from one medium to another?
Ma'am, which of the following
Option D.
conditions is not necessary for a change in the direction of
Option
propagating
D.
when
Option
What
D.
will be the option?
The
Option D.
incident
Ma'am,
ray
Option
D.
D, the incident light rays must
Option D.
always have only the blue color.
What are the options here?
Ma'am, the
light
light
ray
ray must
must
be
be
incident
incident ray
at
at
the
an
angle
angle
greater
greater
than
than
0 degree with respect to the normal at its point of incident. Second, the two media must both be
Okay.
transparent.
Tell the
Third,
correct
the two
option.
media,
Correct option बोलिए आप लोग.
the incident
incident
light
light
ray
ray
must
must
always
be
have
only
only
have the
blue
blue
color.
The incident
ठीक है, और है? Are there any more questions?
Yes, ma'am. Question number 2.
Ma'am,
Which of the
Next,
following
बोलिए।
diagrams correctly show the bending of a light ray as it goes from an optically denser medium to an optically rare medium?
option
Tell the
B.
option.
Second.
Option B.
Second option.
Option
Option
B.
Option B.
What is that option? Tell that.
मैम फिगर बना हुआ है.
मैम डायग्राम
अरे
है.
overall, a light
Figure वाला
tends
question है.
towards
मैम
the
वीडियो खोले हुए मैम देख
denser.
लीजिए.
मैम वीडियो ऑन है मेरा.
Option B.
Okay, okay. हाँ ठीक है. Second option, okay, please. और next.
Third
तुम्हारा
question.
बुक और एक बार हम और रिवाइज करवा देंगे इसको, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
और next question.
The angle between the incident ray and the emergent ray for a rectangular glass slab is
90
option
degree.
A 0
Non-zero
degree.
acute angle.
A.
Ma'am,
0
D,
degree.
a
Option तो
non-zero
देने दो.
acute angle.
A non-zero
Option A
acute
0
angle.
degree. Option B
0
90
degree.
degree. Option C an obtuse angle. And option D a non-zero acute angle.
ठीक है, करेक्ट ऑप्शन बोलिए.
A non-zero acute
A
angle.
non-zero acute angle.
ठीक है, tomorrow again we will revise, let it be. अगर कोई confusion हो रहा है then again tomorrow we will revise it. ठीक है, छोड़ दो, आज छोड़ दीजिए, let it be. अब आप लोग को चैप्टर के अंदर से कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो बोलो. If you have any problem from inside the chapter, कोई टॉपिक जो आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है या आप उसको फिर से ये सुनना चाहते हो, then I will revise that.
हाँ मैम है.
कौन सा? बोलो.
नो मैम नहीं.
कौन बोल रहा? हाँ है. Okay. Then should we conclude the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
प्रॉब्लम है किसी को?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Then one thing for your homework, आप अपने होमवर्क में इस चैप्टर का रीडिंग बहुत अच्छे से डालोगे और जितना भी रे डायग्राम है you just sit and practice it because you do mistakes in the रे डायग्राम. रे डायग्राम में बहुत सारा मिस्टेक्स आता है. कोई कंफ्यूजन होगा then you can ask me tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए ठीक है. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.